this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off email notifications on Slack. So if you no longer need notifications via emails, then let me show you how you can do this in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go to your Slack account and then click on your profile icon down here. Under this, choose preferences, and under preferences, choose notifications. From here, scroll down until you get to this section called when I am not active on desktop. So go ahead and click on set email notifications, and this will open a new tab. Under this, scroll down until you see the email preferences. Under email notifications, you can see currently it is set to within 15 minutes. For my case, I want this to be turned off, so I'll go ahead and choose never, and this means that you'll never receive any notifications. So once you have chosen that, you'll never receive email notifications from Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.